Is there any update on the U.S. assessment of the video released by Russia claiming to show some tanks ending military drills near Ukraine? I know there was a lot of concern about whether this was legit. Has there been any determination that it is?
I don't have any new assessment of that, Ed. I think what we are watching very closely is not just what they say, but what they do. I understand you're referencing a video, but we've also seen, as the Secretary confirmed this morning, continued problematic, troubling buildup of troops at the border and surrounding Ukraine.
I'm not going to ask you if the president's meeting today or soon with Supreme Court nominees.
What if I was prepared to answer it today? You're missing out.
Have there been any meetings?
I am not going to provide a day-by-day update, Ed. I just had to mess with you there a little bit.
But I am curious. This is a president who's been a participant in this for decades.
Yeah.
He knows that in the run-up to a decision, there is a public campaign. There's sort of a backroom lobbying effort by people close to nominees. There's been some of that going on in this case. What does he make? I'm not commenting specifically on anyone's story or letter sent or anything, but what does he make of that attempt to influence an administration as they make a decision? And does he welcome it, or does he see it, if it gets a little too personal perhaps or petty, as detrimental to the process?
Well, I think because of the president's long history and long background you referenced, as the former chairman of the Judiciary Committee, as the former vice president, I believe he's probably overseen or been engaged with more Supreme Court nominee processes than anyone in history. He is not going to be swayed by public campaigns or public sniping or lobbying efforts. He is going to pick an eminently qualified black woman to nominate to the Supreme Court, and he has a number of potential choices that he's very excited about.
Just real quick on this, the Club for Growth is now running ads in English and in Spanish targeting Latino audiences and suggesting that the president's focus on nominating a black woman to the court versus qualified Latino judges, and they list a few in their ad, is racist. What do you make of that?
Well, the Supreme Court has been around for 230 years. There's never been a black woman who served on the Supreme Court. The president believes that's a problem with past processes and not a lack of qualified black women to serve on the Supreme Court. There are also opportunities, perhaps in the future we'll see, to nominate others. We don't know at this point in time, but the president is proud of the range of credible, qualified candidates he's looking at, and looking forward to making an announcement soon.